Hey there, YouTube. Another Taurus High Point production coming at you. My name's Ray Shepard. Cleaning black powder rifles or pistols or revolvers. Delicate subject. Everybody has their own processes, everybody does it all differently, and everybody does it at different times. Is there a right or wrong way to clean a black powder rifle or pistol? So long as it is getting cleaned, who am I to tell you what to use? How to use it? When to use it? Jay Stone, Cap and Ball Fanatic, he did a good spinoff that kind of set me into thought, into thinking about this. He does a field strip at 75 rounds. He does a complete detail after 75 rounds or at 75 rounds if he knows he's not going to be returning to that firearm. I can agree with that. I can actually, yeah, I can see. If you took the gun out today, put 75 rounds through it, and we're coming back to it tomorrow to reshoot the gun, a field strip is adequate. Is adequate enough, as long as you're using the proper. I'm a big staunch for extremely hot water, a degreaser of some sort, and a detergent. That's me. After that, while it is still hot, I'll spray it down with moose milk. In prior videos I said WD-40, but I can skip the WD-40 and use the moose milk. It's doing the same job. How do you milk a moose? That's the kind of milk, pal. It is ballistol and water. Whatever you're happy or whatever floats your boat. I use a 5-to-1 mix. 1 part ballistol, 5 parts water. It's been doing real great. I used to use WD-40, wipe all that off. Again, dry patches through the barrel, and then re-grease or re-lubricate with an approved gun oil. I can skip all of that and just spray this stuff down while it's still hot with some of that, what they call moose milk, ballistol and water. And the water, as long as the metal is still hot, the water evaporates off. It leaves that nice oil behind, that nice lubrication behind. And then I just run a wet patch through the barrel. Then I run a dry patch through the barrel, suck up any excess water. That has been doing great. When to do this? Now, I'm not shooting every day. Okay. So I clean mine up every time I shoot them. To some people it's a lot of work and they don't like to do it. But I do a complete strip and a complete clean. Even though somebody, by some fluke, if I'm on vacation and I know I'm still taking that gun out the next day to shoot and have fun with, clean it. Man, that's a lot of work. Don't clean it one time. Put it up and then come back to it 24 hours later going, yeah, about time I get to that, but man, I really don't want to do all that work to end. That's just, to me, it's just going to progress on, that it never gets cleaned, and then it's a mess. But as I said, if you know you're getting back to it the next day, a field strip and wipe out is just fine. If you know you're not going to get back to it the next day, you're probably going to be better off with a complete strip and a detailed clean on it. And this way it allows you to inspect those internals as well and possibly replace what is either weakened or broken. Yeah, because there are things on a cap and ball pistol that do break with use. So, but like I said, this is a personal progress. You can do what you like to do, and this has been a Taurus High Point production. Remember, I choose, therefore I am responsible.